Create a ball. Create a box. Create a pipe. Select that ball. Select that pipe. Select that box. Delete that box. Select that ball. Delete it. Select that pipe. Delete that pipe. Select that box. Move it there. Move that box there.
Select that box. Move it there. Color it blue. Color that pipe red. Color it green. Scale that ball this big. Scale that ball this big. Make it bigger. Make that ball smaller. Select that ball. Color it blue. Move it there. Color that box red. Select that box. Move it there. Create a pipe. Color that pipe green. Move that pipe there. Okay.
Ende.